Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll finish cooking the chicken cordon bleu, add a quick sauce, and pair it with easy sides for a complete meal. Crispy on the outside, juicy in the middle, chicken cordon bleu is pure comfort. Picture thin chicken rolled with salty ham and melty Swiss, sealed in golden crumbs. It looks fancy, yet it is very doable at home. In this video, you will learn a clear definition of cordon bleu, where it comes from, and the classic ingredients. You will get a step-by-step method that keeps the chicken moist and the crust crisp. You will also see oven, skillet, and air fryer options, plus quick sauces, easy sides, and smart storage. We will focus on chicken cordon bleu. You will also see quick notes on turkey, veal, pork, and vegetarian versions. The tone is friendly and the steps are clear, so you can cook with confidence tonight. What is chicken cordon bleu? Origins, meaning, and tasty variations. Simple definition: cordon bleu in one sentence. Chicken cordon bleu is a thin chicken breast rolled with ham and Swiss or Gruyere, then breaded and cooked until golden and juicy. Say it like this: cordon bleu. Many people search for cordon bleu, so if you typed that, you are in the right place. Where did cordon bleu come from? Cordon bleu means blue ribbon in French, a mark of high quality. The dish likely grew from European schnitzel traditions, where thin meat is breaded and pan-fried. Versions showed up in Switzerland and in France, then became popular in the United States in the mid to late 1900s. The rolled shape with ham and cheese made it a restaurant classic, and now a home favorite. Classic ingredients and why they work together. The core parts are simple: chicken breast, mild ham, Swiss or Gruyere, salt, pepper, flour, egg, breadcrumbs, and a little oil or butter. The balance works. Salty ham seasons the chicken from the inside. Nutty cheese melts and adds richness. The breaded crust keeps the meat moist and gives a crisp bite. Panko breadcrumbs add extra crunch. Pound the chicken to even thickness, about 1/4 inch, so it cooks fast and does not dry out. Popular variations to try: turkey, veal, pork, and vegetarian cordon bleu. Swap in turkey cutlets for a lean and quick cook. Veal or pork schnitzel feels classic in parts of Europe and cooks fast due to thin slices. For a vegetarian take, use thin roasted eggplant or firm tofu with smoky cheese, then bread and cook the same way. For dietary needs, use gluten-free breadcrumbs and flour, and choose lactose-free cheese. Keep the same method and cook to safe internal temps. How to make cordon bleu at home. Step-by-step recipe. Ingredients and tools checklist for 4 servings. Ingredients: 4 boneless skinless chicken breasts, about 6 to 7 ounces each. 8 thin slices deli ham. 4 ounces sliced or shredded Swiss or Gruyere. Half cup all-purpose flour. 2 large eggs. 1 cup breadcrumbs or panko. 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Half a teaspoon black pepper. Half a teaspoon garlic powder, optional. 2 tablespoons neutral oil or melted butter. Tools: sharp knife and cutting board. Plastic wrap. Meat mallet or rolling pin. Toothpicks or kitchen twine. Sheet pan with rack. Skillet, optional. Instant tree thermometer. Butterfly, pound, fill, and roll without tears. The chicken is cooked golden and juicy, ready to enjoy with your sauce and sides. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.